Oh my God, I love it when I get mail. Listen, I had just like stopped what I was doing and I heard the mailman coming, and I had looked out the door and he was like, I was just about to come knock on your door. I was like, yeah, because I don't get mail often, but I know when I'm expecting something, I be ready to check it. But yes, I have a package, you guys. Open it with me, you guys, because you're gonna see some things. And part of this stuff is things that I use to put in the DIY nail care kits, okay? Like, there are at least 10 nail care items that everyone with skin and nails, that's everybody, because we all have skin, we all have nails. Some people nails then fell off, but like for the most part, listen, you got nails for the most people, except for like the, you know, the remnant. Like, we have nails, okay? That's what our bodies was equipped to. So anyway, at least 10 nail care items. The first things that are in there are, okay, the hand cream. And I'm very particular about hand creams that I use to put in the nail care kit, because I don't just go out and just go to the Dollar Tree and pick up some lotion, any type of lotion or whatever. On very few occasions I will, but they go on in many nail care kits, and that's when like I am replenishing my stock. But I got a lot of these. I got a lot of my preferred ones now. This is name brand here, name brand Mary Kay Satin Hand Cream. This is fragrance free. That way I ain't gotta worry about like somebody saying, well, I can't do any of the other scents or whatever because I'm allergic or something, or my skin is real sensitive. Fragrance free, goes with everything, and it won't interact with whatever your favorite fragrance is that you like to put on. So definitely gotta get you one. Definitely gotta get you a nail care kit with some quality products. You're either going to see this in your nail care kit, or you're going to see El Aroma moisturizing cream. It's a from a business owner, El Aroma Boutique. So these are the top two hand creams that I will recommend, that I preferably put in the nail care kits that you order. So you guys are getting some great products or whatever. You're not just getting something that you can go buy at Dollar Tree. We don't hardly do Dollar Trees over here. These right here are your travel bags. I'm gonna show you what these are. I'm gonna have to get up real quick, but I'm going to show y'all real quick without opening up these, what they look like. Then I got another in this package. Rip it. Oh my God. Okay, so more hand cream. Oh, the pedicure kit, you guys. The pedicure kit, because the pedicure kit is another custom nail care kit that you can get. Other than a DIY manicure kit, you can get a DIY pedicure kit, which is a kit that is put together for your pedicure needs, for your feet needs, okay? So you can do your own pedicure at home. You can do some feet care maintenance at home in between your scheduled professional pedicure services. You still gotta do your nail care homework at home, because great nails and great nail care starts with you, because these your nails, these your hands. Don't put that type of pressure on your favorite nail tech or your favorite salon, because at the end of the day, baby, you've been living with your body, your nails, for how many ever years you are. That's how long you've had your nails. So you can't come to us and expect us to fix your 18, 20 plus years of problems in an hour session and then cop an attitude when we tell you got to come back in 2 weeks because we're going to gradually work with it. No, ma'am. No, sir. No, him. But anyway, so quality product right here. This is the Mint Bliss Energy Leg Lotion for feet and legs. So this is going to moisturize. This is going to energize, because the mint inside of it, you know, it activates, it stimulates, you know, the blood circulation. People who have aches and pains, and you know, and I'm not trying to include you know, what is that message? Listen, you know, I'm not a medical professional, so but what I do as a nail tech is very relatable to the medical assistant profession, because nail care is a preventative method to keep you from having problems and letting it escalate to the point where you're gonna have to go get something amputated. Okay, take care of your body, take care of your nails, those minute things that you think that are worthless. Yeah, if you didn't have nails, imagine all of the pathogens, harmful pathogens and bacteria, germs and stuff that can enter into your body. So these are protective barriers that keep things from entering in your body, and they also dictate, they also give signals and symptoms of what's going on in your body. Go ask your doctor if you don't understand. No, you don't believe what I'm saying. Go ask your doctor. Anyway, so yeah, what is something else that I got? Okay, so the energizing feet and leg lotion, satiny hand lotion, hand creams, and I told y'all that I was going to go get mine because I didn't want to rip open this just yet, but let me show you mine, and don't laugh at the background. That's my recliner right there. Hold on. Okay, so I use this. If you guys would like if you would like your manicure nail, if you would like this as a bonus item, a feature item for organization, you can keep your nail care items in here. You can keep your face items in here. You can keep your grooming items in here when you're going on a trip, when you're in the bathroom, and you have different bags that come off like this. They're Velcro, and you have different bags. You can say you could take one which you would put in your purse for the day, and if you have kids, put your baby snacks in here, and you can separate them if you have multiple kids so they won't be fighting. Label it, this is Johnny's, this is Sammy, this is Christina's or whatever. But this is an excellent option to keep your nail care, beauty care items in, instead of in that drawer. You know, that drawer, that's your junk drawer that you keep everything in the kitchen sink or whatever. And then when you go looking for, I know that eyebrow pencil was in here somewhere. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna end this or whatever because I didn't want it to be too long. And y'all gotta forgive me for my camera view may not be I have to give me another phone because my front camera causes it to be a glare or whatever, and so it's not the best. This is an iPhone, but like they make these phones where they're so fragile, and they, you know, you blow on it and it cracks. But yeah, that's all I got for now. I ain't got no more. I'm just so excited, and I had to like interrupt my schedule just to do that quick little package review. I'm so excited, you guys. I am making y'all nail care kits. This is a mini manicure kit because I make the DIY manicure kit because nail care maintenance is for men too. You can include this in your grooming. So just like you have shaving kits and stuff like that, have you a buffer, have you a file, have you a pair of clippers, some oil, some hand cream, and there's a file in here too or whatever. So my mini nail care kits are $8. They start at $8, and so these are some holiday mini nail care kits.